What's up everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we're not doing any actual work. We're gonna get the E36 spun around. So as we can always tell, the front's been pointed out towards the door, back's at the back of the garage. It's been sitting in this position for 3.5 years now since I moved in. So it's time to get it out. We're gonna sweep the shop real quick, duck it in so we can continue finishing the engine bay. And like I had said a few videos ago, I want it with the back end here on that end so that I can space the car kind of in my position so I can do the two quarter panels because we got to modify them to fit the wheels. But with that, I'll set up kind of a B-roll of hopefully me getting this thing out of here. We got to make a quick little jig in the front to put 2 casters on to roll it out, and back end still has wheels on it, so we're good there. We're gonna get down on the ground and hopefully out, spun around, tucked in, and then we could continue work with this thing. Look at that, first time she's been outside in 3 years. Yes, no front end, super dirty over there. Now it's time, if this brightens up, to finally sweep out this shop, clean up everything under here, as I have not been able to do this in 3 years. You can see I got like an onion and some play shit. Gonna sweep this out, clean it up, and then somehow spin this thing around and get it back in here by myself. Maybe my littlest will push with me. Okay, so we got the garage all cleaned out. Now I'm gonna set this up and attempt to spin this thing around and get it back into the garage. Let's see how bad I fail at it. This is gonna be a fun time, guys, I swear, because I don't know how I'm gonna do this by myself, but we'll figure it out.
Okay, now we are in the garage, nose at the front so that we can do this side, that rocker, take these doors off, and then once we get there, the back end, take off the bumper and all that stuff, we will center it a little bit better, which is going to screw with my ability to do that, or we might flip it back around and center it better back there. But that's a start for the next project of getting more done. But it's nice to see it in a different position after 4 years of being on those jack stands. Quick little, caster wheels clamped down, did well. I was kind of scared that that was gonna fall out, but I had high hopes. So for a little bit more of a continuation, we're gonna get the rest of our BBSs on. Yes, they're replicas, but I like them for this. I put these on last weekend. I actually had a whole video that I was gonna make last weekend on putting these on, but they are such a low offset that it touched the caliper in the front, so I had to wait for some slip-ons. So we're gonna jack this up, get the backs on with the slip-ons just so it's more even all the way around, and then jack the front up and get the front ones on. So a big part about this is we have factory ball seats, which don't really work in these wheels. So got ourselves some extended cone seats, so they actually fit down and sit all the way down in our lug holes. Gives us some more threads to go with our 8mm slip-ons. Get our 8mm slip-on. Get it kinda. I think that's the best place for it. Now play the get your reel into place. So with it, hopefully you can see because it is very bright out here, but we just clear our caliper with probably 2 mils of clearance now, 3 at best, because the 5 just barely made it by. So that's this side done. We're gonna get the other side, torque it all down, put it on the ground, take a good look at it. Sadly, my phone died as I was about to show the rear, but we've got the rear on. It's way more flushed up. I'm gonna get the passenger side done, and we'll go from there. Well, we're on, center caps are on. Looking pretty fresh for a car that's pretty beat up. The back end needs a little bit of a toe adjustment. I'm not sure how far I'm out, but it seems a good amount. But we're essentially flushed up in the back. flushed up in the front, which I absolutely love. Yes, there's a little bit of wheel gap. We are running on a 205 4017, which, I mean, I could probably drop the car down that extra inch to get rid of that, but this is good and drivable for my area. This road looks pretty good. My highway's shit here, but I might dump it lower just for fun. Maybe make an oil pan shield just because I don't need to destroy another one of those. But I'll have to end the video here with this. But I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. I know this video wasn't much other than me moving the 36 and doing some wheels on here. I got a couple things planned for this one, like if my garage door wasn't shut, I have a mid spoiler up here that is for a Golf hatch, which had come on this car. I'm sure you've probably seen the holes in the hatch. It doesn't fit properly, so we're going to cut it up and make it fit properly. I want to get a roof spoiler for it, and then up there I have Toyota Corolla side skirts from an 8th gen because I got them for free. They fit the length. We're going to drill the holes and make it clip on. Something different nobody has on theirs because I like free parts and I like putting them on my car. So again, with that, I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you in the next one.